Hello students, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about the further reduced syllabus of accountancy for students who will be appearing for 2021 examination. So let's see what's there in your syllabus for accounts. Okay. So in this book we have 10 chapters, that is in part A. So the only chapter which has been totally removed is death of a partner. That is the only chapter which has been totally removed. Then now we will talk about the portions which has been removed from the chapters. So let's see what it is. The first chapter, partnership account fundamentals, nothing has been reduced from that chapter, so you need to study everything that's there in the chapter. Chapter 2, goodwill, concept and mode of valuation. This is also a very important chapter and nothing has been removed from this chapter as well. Chapter 3 is admission of a partner. In this chapter, adjustment of capital has been removed. You do not need to study adjustment of capital. In chapter 4, retirement of a partner, adjustment of capital is also not coming, and we have loan account of retiring partner, which will not be asked in your question paper, and memorandum and admission and retirement in the middle of the year. This was already not there in your syllabus, but I'm just making a point so that you know that you do not need to study this. Then death, as I already told you, that the death of a partner will not come. Then we have a dissolution of a partnership firm. This chapter is very important for your board this time, and nothing has been reduced from this chapter also. Now we have chapter number 7, joint stock company, issue of shares. So the portions will not be asked, that is no interest on calls in arrear and calls in advance. So interest question will not be asked from this chapter. Then we have issue of debentures. This also, there is no reduction in this chapter, so you need to study all. Then chapter 9, joint stock company, redemption of debentures. From this, draw of lots, open market installment, writing of discounts, and X and cum dividend has been removed. You do not need to study that. Then coming to chapter number 10, that is final accounts of companies. It's everything is the part everything is coming in this chapter, so you need to study all. So overall, if you see, then you can understand that the maximum portions which has been removed from a particular chapter is retirement of a partner and joint stock company. And if you want to just check on the website, you can easily go to the cisce.org and check, and then mark your portions. So this was part A of accountancy. Now we will move to the section B. So let's see what's not there in your syllabus. In ratio analysis chapter, all the formulas will be coming except for earning per share, which is point number 5. Then we have price earning ratio and return on investment. Students, please mark, these will not be coming for your examination, and hence you do not need to study. So for ratio analysis, you need to study all except these 3. Other chapters are coming, which is comparative statement, common size statement, cash flow, and I've told you about the reduction of ratio analysis, and financial statement analysis also coming. Nothing has been removed from all 3 chapters. So I think you have marked your portions which are coming and which are not coming, and I have also made a video on a reduced syllabus for Hindi, English, Commerce for class 12. So you can just go and check it out, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do comment if you have any query, and do share it with your friends. Thank you.